Are you looking for the best beard comb? In this video, we will look at some of the top beard combs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Coming up at number 1, we have the Kent A FOT Handmade Beard Comb. This one measures 113 millimeters in length, and it's the perfect pocket-sized comb to strengthen your beard or mustache. It's definitely an item that belongs to your grooming kit. It fits perfectly in the back pocket of your jeans so you can groom your beard anytime, anywhere. This fine-tooth and saw-cut comb is hand-polished as well as buffed to provide soft and rounded teeth. They will stimulate your skin and scalp. The microscopically smooth teeth will further stimulate the natural oils that are inside your hair cuticles as you comb your hair. It's handmade from cellulose acetate. This is a non-petroleum plastic derived from plants. It has been known for creating less static in your hair. At the same time, the saw-cut guarantees the smoothness of the surface, which means you wouldn't have to worry about pulling or snagging hair follicles. Next at number 2, we have the folding wooden comb by Viking. Brought in 2015, this comb has made many men enjoy fashionable hair and beards. If you think that it's time to elevate your overall grooming game while also looking stylish while doing it, this is the comb for you. The detangling wooden comb promotes healthy hair growth, and it reduces breakage because it's static-free. The rounded teeth glide through your head hair and beard regardless of whether it's long, short, thick, thin, or curly. It's handcrafted from 100% sandalwood, which makes it long-lasting and capable of withstanding daily use, travel, as well as tangled and thick mats. The comb is in a switch flip style, which makes it very easy to fold and put it in your pocket or handbag. At number 3, we have the wooden beard comb and case by Viking Revolution. This particular comb is dual-sided and it provides you with a great grooming experience. It has both fine and coarse teeth and won't create any panic or pulls of your hair. It's also very appropriate for taking out knots. The comb works great for all kinds of beards and head hairstyles, regardless of whether they are thick, thin, curly, long, or short. The comb is also very stylish and it's particularly compact, so you can easily put it in your handbag or even in the back pocket of your jeans. The wooden finish gives it a sturdy appeal, and it's designed to withstand prolonged daily use as well as different types of hairstyles. The fact that it comes in a case is an additional benefit, as it will both protect the comb and increase overall hygiene. Next at number 4, we have the Go Comb Metal Beard Comb. This is a wallet-sized hair, beard, and mustache comb. It is particularly thin. The main idea behind this design is for you to be able to put it in your wallet as if it was a regular card. It's certainly a lot thinner than the other products that we talked about. The comb is made out of high-strength and durable stainless steel, and it's topped with a stealthy matte black coating. Everything about this comb speaks of sturdiness and longevity. In addition, on one of its sides, the comb also has a bottle opener. In other words, the solution is perfect for you to style your beard or head hair and celebrate it with a cold beer on a hot summer day. The design is overly elegant and modernistic, and it comes in contrast to the combs that we talked about moments ago. Last but not least, we have the Kent Pocket Beard Comb for mustache and beard. This one comes with a traditional design, and it's handmade from cellulose acetate. Much like the other products of Kent, the materials of this one are also non-petroleum and are derived from various plants. This means they are unlikely to create any static. Meanwhile, the saw cut of the comb guarantees a smoother surface, meaning that you don't have to worry about pulling or snagging hair follicles. Its teeth are fine-shaped to prevent any scratches, while the entire thing is hand-polished and buffed to create smooth teeth that are intended to stimulate the natural oil inside of your hair cuticles as you comb your hair. It's not as good as the other ones we talked about if we consider pocket combs, but it's definitely a very solid choice for your grooming kit. So that sums up the top beard combs. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.